most people still can't access real AI video tools. Invites, waitlists, region locks, crazy pricing. In this video, I'm testing SuraGen 0.1, a tool claiming to give instant access to powerful AI video generation for just 50 cents. No invite, no VPN, no excuses. Let's see if it actually works, or if it's just another Warrior Plus hype tool. SuraGen is not magic, but it is one of the cheapest, fastest ways to create short AI videos for social platforms right now. If you want Hollywood movies, skip it. If you want scroll-stopping clips for shorts, reels, TikTok, or ads, this actually makes sense, especially at the entry price. SuraGen 0.1 is a cloud-based AI video generator powered by advanced text-to-video tech. You type a prompt, it generates a short cinematic video clip, usually 10 to 15 seconds. This is for beginners who don't want to learn video editing, affiliate marketers who need quick visuals, content creators posting shorts or reels, anyone who says, "I don't know how to make videos." If your main excuse is lack of skills, time, or budget, this tool removes that friction. Once you log in, the dashboard is very simple. At the top, you'll see the prompt box. This is where you describe your scene in plain English. Example, futuristic city at night, neon lights, cinematic camera movement. You can also upload a reference image to guide the style. Click Generate. The system processes your request, and within a few minutes, your video is ready. You can preview the clip, download an HD, use it for social media or commercial projects. No software installs. Everything runs in the browser.
Welcome to SuraGen, a simple way to generate short, cinematic AI videos. Let me show you how it works in under 2 minutes. After you log in, you land on the Create page. You'll see your monthly quota, storage, and the controls to generate a video from a text prompt. There's also a community section for sharing and discovering creations. It's currently in development. And in your library, you'll find all of your previously generated videos. In this account, there are dozens of completed generations ready to preview or download. Now let's generate a new one. I'll start with a simple idea, a man walking in the jungle. This is where SuraGen becomes really powerful, the built-in prompt enhancer. With one click, it expands your idea into a more detailed, cinematic prompt, including camera direction and atmosphere, so you get better results without guessing. Next, choose your format. Here I'm selecting vertical 9:16, perfect for TikTok, Reels, and Shorts. Then I'll set the duration, in this case, 15 seconds. Now we click Generate. SuraGen starts the job immediately and shows a live progress indicator. 108 to 243, generating progress up to completion. Generation typically takes a few minutes depending on the queue. While it runs, you can keep working or come back to it in your library. And here's the final result, a clean, cinematic jungle walking shot generated from that enhanced prompt. If you like it, just hit download and you're ready to post. If you want to start creating your own AI videos with text prompts and the built-in enhancer, you can get started on SuraGen today.
You start with a 50-cent trial. After that, there are optional upgrades based on usage: 30 HD videos per month, 60 HD videos per month, 120 HD videos per month. Pricing stays reasonable compared to most AI video tools. Important point: you do not need upgrades to test the platform. Start small, upgrade only if you actually use it. If you grab SuraGen through the link below, you also get these exclusive bonuses: WP Slideshow Master, turn AI videos into engaging slideshows; Promo Video Secrets, learn how to turn short videos into sales assets; Soci Ultima, get free traffic from multiple social platforms; Pin Marketer, automate Pinterest traffic for long-term reach; PowerList Pro, build email lists with smart pop-ups; Lead Book Generator, turn Facebook leads into email subscribers automatically; Keyword Research Ninja 2.0, find keywords from Google, YouTube, and Amazon; Backlinks Warrior, build safer backlinks for SEO growth; WP Profit Page Creator, create SEO-friendly pages that convert; Affiliate Marketing Thrive course, step-by-step affiliate training without fluff. These bonuses alone cover traffic, list building, and monetization, not just video creation. You'll see access details after purchase. Here's the honest truth: SuraGen won't replace professional editors, but for 50 cents, it removes every beginner excuse. You either test it or you keep watching others post AI videos while you hesitate. Bonuses are limited and may be removed without notice. Once they're gone, they're gone. Click the link below, lock in the bonuses, and decide for yourself. If this review helped, hit like so more people see it. Subscribe for honest affiliate reviews. No hype, no nonsense. After purchase, check your email and dashboard for bonus access. Thanks for watching. Click the link below and I'll see you on the inside.